guys, I'm back. So we have to do another two more question set, and when we do it, we can wind up our DBMS series. So we have 50 videos now. So today we have to do some special thing, but kind of easy. So let's see that we have to back up our database. So we create run BMS school database, and we search something and make a views like that. But for all, we use DDL query to do everything. So we use DDL query to create database, create tables, and make relationship. We also use DDL queries and insert, and we have to insert some data for our tables. So we used our DDL queries, our CMD prompt, and now we have to back up our database, back up run school database, but using DDL queries. Now you know how to back up any database using graphical method, using that method. So you can go and right click on that database and export database as SQL, and now you can back up it and export it, and you can change this file locations, output file location, and you can export that and get the database. Now today we have to do this system, this method, but in DDL queries, but using DDL queries. So now let's go to our CMD, and now we have to do some commands. So you can watch that. I will do that. First of all, we have to back up the database. So now we need to go to program files and connect to our MySQL server folder, and we can go to bin folder and back up our database. So I'm going to that path, so you can watch that. Now first we want to type like CD. So we want to log into our system device. So we want to log into C device. So we want to type CD and put this hash, and come into next line. We want to go to program files now. So type CD, and yeah, and now you want to go to program files. So I'm going to program files. You want to select that and get the link. And now you can paste it on there, but inside the double quotes. So paste and double quotes. Okay, now we can execute the next line. So we are in program files now. So now we want to go to MySQL folder. So type CD and MySQL, and going to next line. Now we are in MySQL folder. So now we want to connect our MySQL server folder. So CD, and now we don't need to type that. I'm getting this MySQL server name, file folder name, and paste it on there. Paste on there, and going to next line. Now we are in MySQL server folder. So now we want to log into bin, CD bin. And coming to next line, bin. Now we want to type like MySQL dump. So when we are back up some databases, we want to use MySQL dump to do that. So I am using this MySQL dump, and yeah, MySQL dump like that, and you means username. My username is root, and we have to mention the password, but we don't enter our password now. So we can do it in our next line. So we want to mention the password, and now we want to get the database name what we want to back up. So now go to database name and go to edit. Now you can copy this and cancel it, and come and paste on there, and now you need to use this greater than mark. For backup, you want to use greater than mark. Restore, you want to use lower than mark. So now we want to backup. So I am using greater than mark. And now I want to get the database to my desktop. So I am typing desktop, desktop, and double dots hash. I want to back up this, like now I want to rename the file. So school database backup dot sql. So you need to give this dot sql extension because this is database file. So dot sql. Now we can execute the line. So I think all are okay. Let's execute it. A file name. Okay, we have got the issue. I think we can't back up this on desktop. Let's back up this on E folder. So I'm going to E folder. So this is E. So we can we can back up this on E. So MySQL dump, now you know, and username, root, password. Don't need to mention that now, and paste our database name greater than. Now again, database name backup SQL. Right. Now let's do it. Now okay. Now we want to mention the password. And, right. Okay, now our database backup is okay. So let's go to our E and see. Yeah, now you can see there's a backup here. So run vim school db backup. So we can open this SQL script using WordPad or using our HideSQL or using our MySQL. So now I'm going to open this thing using my default software. So my default software is HideSQL. So we can double click on that and open it. Now we have to type the password, and you can see now we have our database SQL script. So you can see there's a table name and there are some relationships we made. So you can see this for foreign keys and primary keys and all details we inserted. So you can see our insert details all are on there. So now our backup is okay. Now in my next video, it is the last video of this series, and I will show you how to restore this database, this backup database, and we can restore this using using double click on that, we can restore it. And when we go to it, when we go to this SQL script, we can execute it and make our database again. So that is not the way we want to do it in DDL queries. So in my next video, I will show you how to do that using DDL queries. So today video is over. I'm going to wind up my video now. So I will catch you guys in my last video of this series. So hang tight guys. Peace.